Φίλοι, χαίρετε. Μαζί μας ο κύριος Χιντεγιούκι Ιγκαράσι από το 2017 έρχεται και επισκέπτεται την Κύπρο και μας παρουσιάζει δολώματα και μαλάγρες και ενισχυτικά από τη MARUKYU Ιαπωνίας. Σήμερα θα μας δείξει μια πληθώρα προϊόντων που κάνουν για πολλά είδη ψαρέματος. Ground baits, μαλάγρες και δολώματα για όλη την οικογένεια. Παρακαλώ, ο κύριος Ιγκαράσι.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, everybody. This is Hide from MARUKYU, Japan. We are the fishing bait manufacturer. Why fishing bait is so important for your fishing? Because the fishing bait is your first contact with your fish of today. So please, anytime think about fish, what they want to eat for today, and please be you are the chef for the today's fish. So thinking about smell, softness, depth, everything. If you can be the best chef of today's fish, you will sure to catch a good fish. So today I'm going to introduce some tip of MARUKYU bait. Let's enjoy. This one is igami dango. Igami is parrot fish and made rich in seaweed and some crab and Japanese sake leaves. Very strong flavor. Because the parrot fish is seasonally, they are feeding on seaweed and crab. So the major ingredient is their favorite materials. This is already sticky bait, moistured. So just open the package, it's ready to go. You can throw by your hand. Also, you can use any kind of feeder to attract parrot fish fishing. So, please try if your today's main target is parrot fish. Why not? Igami dango. This is a new product here. Chinu Power Special MP is rich in wheat and yeast. Also, this is quite heavy bait. So you are going to try to catch black bream. It's a Mediterranean sargo. It's a good choice even for deep water. Maximum, so it's about 15-meter depth. That's work. So this is as your ground bait for sargo fishing. The most basic bait. Please try Chinu Power Special MP for deeper water. Yes, you Mediterranean anglers love sargo. But sargo is nowadays quite serious fishing, actually. In that case, we love to introduce Mega Mix Chinu made in Japan. The main ingredient is not only wheat, shell, and special yeast, and silkworms, and this is the special ingredient named Ultravite Alpha. This is a pheromone to make fish induce bite. So one of the most effective bait for your Mediterranean black bream, sargo fishing with Ultravite Alpha. Also, this is a basic ground bait for your saltwater fishing, so you can add more and materials as you like. Because Mediterranean sargo, black bream is living in shallow water or deep water or long offshore distances. So when you make this bait, you can make long distance casting over 50-meter or 6-meter, 60-meter possible by using your bait casting or catapulto, also this kind of feeder. So for the Mediterranean serious sargo anglers, please try. Especially recommended for the long distance casting. We introduced a very convenient, ready-to-go bait. This is kagozuba from Japan. This is basically krill and wheat already mixed and room temperature storage. Just open the package, a clip, and onto your feeder. This kind of feeder, ready to go, easy. Your finger not anytime clean, so just open. This is especially for your long casting and shallow to deep water, and targeted fish is any kind of fish, like a blue china, bream, snapper, available. Also, this is a hand clean bait. Your family fishing with girlfriends and your kids, ready to go, easy to use, easy to catch. Anytime, portable. Please try your feeder fishing and long cast fishing. For saltwater fishing, sometimes our ground bait is liquid or too soft for long casting or deeper water. It's sometimes a headache, so especially introduce some extra powder bait, edge power. Why we need this? When we're using this kind of liquidish or baby krill bait, sometimes it's too soft, liquid. This is an additional ingredient, not only with powder, also special, natural, shiny, glittering material. Also, this can be the absorber of juice of this your bait. So your bait now mixed together with edge power, more volume, a bit harder, and delicious juice absorbed by this powder. So bait boost power up. The good combination with basically your juicy bait and extra powder mixed together. This is a recommendation for especially serious angler or when you want to make your bait much easy way to use. Especially for shallow water to middle range, very recommended. So we can say this is a shallow water to middle range fishing. So please try your bait combination. Okay, let's go fishing with your kids and with your family. But sometimes, yes, and fishing, a bait is a bit too strong smell, or some creature is difficult to pick up. But why not? This is very friendly bait to your kids and family. This is basically the ground bait, MARUKYU amiebi, based on baby krill, and ready to go. Open the package, your spoon. You can use for this onto feeder, or this kind of net, or just hand casting. This is berry, attractant bait. Also, fruity flavor with banana and strawberry. So your kids should be very happy with this bait. And secondly, on-hook bait. Can you see? Osakana gabucho, gabucho. Eating, biting sound. This is on-hook bait mixed with baby krill and like a jelly soft on-hook bait. So your kids even very easy to pick one piece onto your hook. So let's enjoy family fishing with your girlfriend or your kids with MARUKYU amiebi and on-hook bait Osakana gabucho. Good combination. Now I'm going to introduce hand casting point making bait. This is totally attractant on your bottom targeting fish, like a big parrot fish on the bottom or any kind of bottom living fishing. Both. This is unidango, rich in sea urchin. One stick is 1 kilogram, and this one is cased. Dekaban bait, deka big, and 1 piece, 1 kilogram bait set into 4 pieces like this. Strong smell. This is rich in red clam. So when you arrived at the fishing point of today, before starting setting your rig, first 1 piece, 2 piece cast into your today's fishing point. So first make your point with attractant bait, then you set up your rig. Then let's start fishing. That's why this kind of unidango sea urchin and dekaban red crumb bait is very effective for your bottom fishing, especially recommended for parrot fishing. Let's try to catch the huge parrot with MARUKYU bait. Here we go. This is gluten bait. What is a gluten bait? Gluten bait is originally developed for freshwater fishing, float fishing, and majorly mixed with wheat gluten fiber and potato flakes. So when you open the package, can you see? Because the gluten fiber is heavier and the potato is lighter, so never measure like this, no good. Please use your measuring cup, your measuring spoon, and handle like this, and clearly check the volume. This is bait is the original water ratio is bait 1 and water is 1. So now 1 cup, 1 spoon of bait. Then carefully let's measure the water, the same amount. Now 100 cc of the bait and 100 cc of the water. Throw into and your finger like this. Quickly squeeze. Never squeeze, just mix like this. About 10, 20, 30 times enough. And one side like this. And when the hot season, about 3 minutes, and the cold season, about 5 minutes, please let it be. Then the bait moisture absorb the water and the good thickness. The gluten bait is completed, created. So please wait. Because now summer season. When you start to have your bait, turn around like this, please. Turn around. This is very important. And start from the bait, from the edge. If you want to make your bait much harder, for example, just half, and push, 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 and slowly confirm your bait hardness. This is basically the correct way to make the gluten bait.
Ευχαριστούμε πολύ που παρακολουθήσατε σήμερα παρουσίαση μαλαγρών και δολωμάτων από τη MARUKYU. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ θερμά τον κύριο Hideyuki Igarashi και τον κύριο Koichi Ogasawara που ήταν μαζί μας σήμερα. Ελπίζω να περάσανε καλά στην Κύπρο. Ευχαριστώ. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.